SYSPRO helps you control cost and boost efficiency by tracking non-productive time and scrap. This tutorial will include the following: adding a non-productive code, adding a scrap reason code, and lastly, adding a job classification code. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be introducing a new module, and that is work in progress, and we'll be taking a look at non-productive time, scrap, and job classifications. Let's get started. We're going to start by going to work in progress, and we're going to scroll all the way to setup, and we're going to then click on WIP non-productive codes maintenance. Okay, and here on non-productive code, we're going to enter our non-productive code. Then we're going to tap off to now enter the description. Okay, and then we're going to tap off to enter our ledger code. Then we're going to tap off, and then we're going to click on the save icon, and we're going to close this program. And that is how you add a non-productive code. We're going to start by going to work in progress, then we're going to go to browsers, and we're going to then click on browse on scrap reasons, and then we're going to click on the add icon, and here we're going to enter our inspection reason code. Then we're going to tap off, and then we're going to enter our description. Then we're going to click on the save icon. We're going to close this program, and we're going to close this program as well. And that is how you add a scrap reason code. We have realized that half of our viewers are not yet subscribed, so we are going to give you this opportunity to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to work in progress, then we're going to scroll the way to setup, and we're going to click on job classification. Okay, on job classification, we're going to enter our job classification code. Then we're going to tap off to then enter the description. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to tap off. So we're going to leave the branch selection blank for now, and we're going to then click on the save icon, and we're going to close this program, and that is how you add a job classification. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.